YouTube. We just got to Lockhart. We are getting ready to pull up at Creeks or Cream, or I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a barbecue place. There it is. I don't even know if they're open yet.
No.
We're going to call it Cruise Barbecue. That's what I'm going to call it, Cruise Barbecue.
It's only 10:20. Let's see if y'all figure out this parking thing I'm doing here.
I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, I knew it. Oh, man. It is very, very slick.
Hop off, Terry. Yeah, it's slick. I'm going to let her hop off first. And I'm going to just use reverse since I got it.
It is very slick, Mom. Your boots are going to be sliced. I'm switching off.
All right.
Walking into Cruise Barbecue. Pretty big place. Place is huge. This the menu.
You obviously don't realize how hungry I am.
Oh, you waiting on me? Don't wait on me, baby. Say hello to the camera, Greg. That's the man.
It's time to eat.
The man behind the myth.
Yeah. I think we do like
That's the hungry man. This place is huge.
Yeah, we did. Or we are.
I had a little peanut butter this morning. I'm all right. Yes, we're ready to order. I think we're gonna order maybe 2 pounds of brisket, and she nodding behind the camera, y'all. And we want hot sausage,
Jalapeno sausage.
jalapeno sausage. All right. What about some chicken? You want some chicken?
Sure.
Got chicken? Oh, some chicken.
I don't think so.
No chicken? Oh, half a chicken.
Oh, okay.
We'll do half a chicken. Yeah.
Yeah, give us another bone.
What is that?
That's almost a pound.
Beef
Beef
rib.
rib.
That's almost a pound.
Beef
That's
rib.
almost a pound.
We'll just do a pound.
Yeah, give it.
Sausage.
Most of the waste in the bone. Most of the waste in the bone.
Yeah. 1967. 1967.
Looks nice. You really want a half a chicken? No chicken.
No chip ribs.
Bread and cracker, sir?
You want bread?
We're here to go.
Gonna be here.
How many people?
Your crackers look like.
What's your, I'm sorry?
Crackers look like.
Thanks, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
No bread.
Bread? Okay. We're gonna do pound of brisket.
And the brisket.
2 of those things.
Pound the brisket.
And 2 link, a jalapeno link and a original.
2 jalapeno, 1 original.
No, one jalapeno, 1 original.
1 jalapeno, 1 lime.
Snap some pictures of them.
1583 on the brisket. 2369. The jalapeno has a register.
Okay. likes that.
It's just a good hot.
Y'all get real busy on the weekends?
Yes, sir.
That's why we rode in early today.
Thanks. Appreciate it. $17.43.
That's what we're working with.
That can be it. 41.20.
4120.
Any bread crackers?
Bread.
Is that good enough for me?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, bread right here.
It's on my YouTube channel.
All right.
Calvin, where you going?
It's like I'm the camera person.
Let me take a shot. Over here. Right here.
Got mac and cheese.
Let's go get outside.
Let's get them sides. Yeah.
We gotta get a shirt.
I can't buy a shirt till I taste the food. Tea and lemonade. They do like, I want to do swamp water. You want some avocado?
No.
Pickles? I want pickles.
Beans. I want beans.
Green beans?
No, beans.
Okay, she's gonna have what, a pint of beans?
Okay.
A pint of beans and a pint of mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Well, to drink.
Oh, sorry. To drink. Do y'all do like swamp water?
Bottled water?
Swamp water, like tea and lemonade?
Yeah, you can do that.
It's over there.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna try the brisket.
Which one you want?
That's what the brisket look like, guys. Oh yeah. I was greedy with the brisket. And Greg says he can't make one like this.
But I toyed with the idea of trading my truck or selling it, and then just getting a little cheap beer or something, and then go back, because I know the insurance would be a lot cheaper.
Did you taste it before you put the sauce on?
It's good both ways.
Eventually, I gotta get the sauce.
It's good with and without the sauce.
he really wants my cut. I'm like,
Well,
we'll see how he is.
we proved a couple of things today. One, we're real bikers because the weather don't stop us.
No,
And
weather don't stop.
Two, there's no problem for us to drive an hour and a half for food.
Or further.
We do that for going to Granny D's. We're going to the wine ones and the pizza place.
Fredericksburg is longer, right? It's like further.
Well, folks, this is Cruz Barbecue. Fun family atmosphere. And great food, man. We'll definitely be back when we get a inkling for some more food.
All right, so that concludes our day. We are getting ready to head home. I believe we're going to take 183 to I-10 because I'm not feeling 130 at all. 65 miles an hour with a lot of construction. But all in all, Cruz was pretty good barbecue. I recommend the beef rib and the spicy sauces link if you're going to come here. Stay away from the macaroni and cheese. We like real cheese in our macaroni and cheese, and it was just like too saucy and watered down. Beans were good. I can recommend the beans. And the atmosphere was pleasant enough. So this is the Legendary Black's barbecue. Family owned since 1932. So I guess we'll have to come back. We'll have to come back next time. Check out Black's Barbecue. I heard they had some good pecan cobbler. I wanted to find out what that's all about. Watch it, big boy. Till next time, YouTube, it's your boy Southern Cal, and I'm out.